Welcome to La Quinta, California, and a slice of paradise. It's your perfect desert retreat. When you enter this lovely home, you will immediately feel relaxed and refreshed. It's light and bright and waiting for you. Offered complete with beautiful furnishings with no detail left overlooked. You just have to bring your suitcase and maybe a toothbrush. The ultimate chef's kitchen boasts all new stainless steel appliances, LED lighting, and granite countertops. The primary bedroom has sliders out to the backyard and a newly remodeled bathroom. Then there's the loft. It's a bedroom now, but let's imagine an awesome game room with a 70-inch flat screen on the wall, a pool table, or even a spectacular home office with bookshelves filled to the brim from your personal library. This is a 3-bedroom home with plantation shutters and new energy-efficient windows throughout. The attached casita bedroom has a separate entrance for those late-night arrivals. And, saving the best for last, your private paradise awaits. Entertain family and friends in this gorgeous backyard with lots of lounging areas and a refreshing PebbleTec pool and spa surrounded by tropical foliage and lush fruit trees. And when night falls, the light show begins.